Dear students, in this video, I explain exercise 11.3 from third problem to sixth problem, 3, 4, 5, 6. These four problems I explain. Third problem, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Welcome to Maths World. Trigonometry, exercise 11.3, the third question. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Solution. Given that tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. So from the beginning of this exercise 11.3, I am telling all the trigonometric ratios should be same. So here tan, here cot. So I want to convert this tan into cot. We know that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Like that, cot 90 minus 2a is equal to tan 2a. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Then cot 90 minus 2a is equal to tan 2a. So in place of tan 2a, I can write cot 90 minus 2a. So that implies cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degrees. Got it now? Here this cot and this cot will be cancelled. So that implies 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degrees. So I am sending all the like terms one side, numbers one side, a terms one side. So I am sending this minus to a other side. That minus becomes plus. So a plus 2a, that implies a plus 2a is equal to, I am sending this minus 18 other side, becomes plus 18 degrees. 90 plus 18 degrees. A plus 2a is equal to 90 plus 18 degrees. That implies a plus 2a is 3a. 3a is equal to how much? 90 plus 18 is 108. So I want the value of a. The relation between 3 and a is into multiplication. If I send this 3 other side, it becomes divided by. So that implies a is equal to 108 divided by 3. So that implies a is equal to 36 degrees. We got the value of a. A is equal to 36 degrees. This is the answer. Now, fourth problem. If tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. I repeat the question. If tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. Solution. Given that tan A is equal to cot B. So from the beginning of this exercise 11.3, I am telling that all the trigonometric ratios should be same. Here tan, this one is cot. So I am changing this cot as tan. How? We know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. That means tan 90 minus B is equal to cot B. So since tan 90 degrees minus B is equal to cot B, I can write in place of cot B the tan 90 degrees minus B. So I can write tan 90 degrees minus B in place of cot B. So that implies tan A is equal to tan 90 degrees minus B. Understand now? So here tan and this tan will be cancelled. The remaining A is equal to 90 degrees minus B. So that implies A is equal to 90 degrees minus B. So I am sending this minus B other side. This minus becomes plus. So that implies A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. The question is prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So hence proved. Now fifth question. If A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. I repeat the question. If A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Solution. Given that A comma B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, we know that sum of the interior angles in triangle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. So ABC are interior angles, their sum is equal to 180 degrees. That implies A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Next, divide this equation. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Divide this equation by 2 on both sides. So that implies A plus B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 180 degrees divided by 2. Okay. See here, A plus B plus C by 2. We want the value of A plus B by 2 one side, C by 2 other side. So I am separating. I am writing A plus B plus C by 2 as A plus B by 2 plus C by 2. That implies A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. 180 by 2 is 90 degrees. Understand? Na? So here plus C by 2, I am sending this C by 2 the right side, the other side. So plus becomes minus. So that implies A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus C by 2. Okay. Now take tan on both sides, here and here. That implies take tan ratio on both sides. That implies tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 degrees minus C by 2. Got it, na? That implies tan A plus B by 2 is equal to, see here, tan 90 minus theta. We know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So tan 90 degrees minus C by 2 is cot C by 2. Okay, na? Tan 90 degrees minus theta is cot theta. So tan 90 minus C by 2 is cot C by 2. So now see the question, tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So hence proved. Now the last question, sixth question. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. I repeat the question. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Solution. Given that sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. So this 75 degrees and this 65 degrees, they are not in between 0 and 45 degrees. They are greater than 45 degrees. So we have to express it. First you see 75 using 90 degrees I can change. So 75 degrees is equal to, I can write 90 minus 15 degrees. So that is equal to, that implies sin 90 minus 15 degrees. 90 minus 15 is nothing but 75. Plus I can write 65 degrees as 90 minus 25 degrees. So plus 90 minus 25 degrees. Now we know that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin 90 minus 15 is cos 15. That implies cos 15 plus, and also we know that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So cos 90 minus 25 is equal to sin 25. So plus sin 25. Okay, we got cos 15 degrees plus sin 25 degrees. Hence, we expressed the sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees. 15 degrees and 25 degrees, both of them are in between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. This is the answer.